Quilting is a special type of sewing that joins pieces of fabric together of different colors and shapes to create astonishing patterns, rugs, covers, and textile decorations. Want to learn how to do it yourself? Do you want to create a really decorative piece? It would be hard to bring yourself to walk on a quilted rug like this one because it contains months of hard work. The creator of this masterpiece, Kathy Tullos, is a quilting beginner, which shows you that anyone can create something like this. This is the work of one of the most popular quilting artists in the world. It's amazing how well Anna Buzzolino depicts the colorful subjects in her work. Sewing different fabrics together to create a picture is much harder than simply drawing or painting it. Christina Palacio has been quilting for a couple of years now, and she's made some exquisite pieces. This hobby allows her to forget about the difficulties in life, take control, and find inspiration. And her works really do inspire. A few years ago, Christina hadn't even thought of taking up the hobby. This wonderful pillow was made by Australian artist Pilgrim Lee. You can buy her products online for quite a reasonable price. She creates a lot of cool things, but quilting doesn't feature that often in her collections. The image of this quilting project was published by the Rayweather Society. It's hard to believe that this is actually made from fabric, and you need to look very hard at the picture in order to see the stitches. Did you think that quilting would be difficult to learn? We have found 3 wonderful and free demonstrations that can teach you the skills to create your very first quilting project. The links to all channels will be published in our video. Just Get It Done Quilts, a popular Canadian master, gives a step-by-step guide to creating effortless quilting masterpieces. Melanie Ham, wonderful weekly lessons that teach you quilting, embroidery, sewing, and many other ways to work with fabric. Melanie's amazingly simple way of teaching and valuable advice has made her one of the most popular teachers in this area. Missouri Star Quilt Company. Yes, they do sell quilting materials, but we also appreciate this channel for its free, detailed videos showing you how to produce quilting masterpieces yourself. Now you have everything you need to create your first quilt.